Hi friends, welcome to our channel. So today we are going to prepare Hyderabadi chicken dum biryani. Let's come and see all the ingredients. So here I have taken basmati rice. Here I have taken 500 gram of chicken, and here all the raw materials which we have put while boiling the rice. So here cinnamon, cloves, darchini and green chili sliced, and the raw jeera and tej patta. And here 8 to 10 sliced onion, and here I have taken refined oil, and these all are the materials we have to put while marinating the chicken. So here curd I have taken 200 gram, here the ginger and garlic paste, and little bit of turmeric powder, here red chili powder, and this is prunes or aloo bukhara we called it. It will give that khatta taste in the chicken. So this is homemade biryani masala. This is for garnishing purpose while doing the layering for the rice and the chicken. So here sliced coriander and green chili, and here I have put kesar with food color, a little bit of with a little bit of warm milk and sliced lemon, and this is kevda water for essence, and here it is meetha atar. So here I have taken boiled egg. This is optional, we like to put it, so I kept it here. So this is like completely optional. So first we have to deep fry the onion. So come, let's start with that only. Let's heat the pan and put the complete oil into it. So we have to deep fry the onion till the color is turning to brown, and keep stirring it. So here we can see color is turning to brown. We have to take it off very quickly, or else it may burn. Let's start with the chicken marination process. Here I have taken 200 gram of curd. That first I am putting that. Here is my complete onion fry. So 3/4 of that onion fry I am going to put in the marination process. Little bit of turmeric powder. So here I have taken around 1.5 teaspoon. Here red chili powder. Red chili powder also I am putting around 1 tablespoon. Little bit of salt as per your taste, and here the homemade biryani masala. So around 2 spoon I am putting it. One slice of lemon, ginger garlic paste, and that's it. So let's mix it properly. So I mixed it properly, and we will keep it around 30 to 45 minutes. It is chicken, so I am not keeping it for long time. If it is mutton, then we have to keep it on around 2 to 3 hours. So I kept my chicken for marination. Meanwhile, we will start preparation of the rice recipe. Here I have washed the basmati rice and soaked it for 30 minutes, and in one jar I put water, let it boil. After that we will put all. So now water started boiling. We are putting all the raw things here. So jeera, elaichi, cloves, darchini, and 4 to 5 sliced green chili, and here 2 tablespoon of ghee I am putting. So here you can put oil as well. This is so that our rice will come out very good. salt as per the taste and let it boil properly. So now we will put the rice into the boiling water and we will cook the rice only 70 to 80%, then we will take it off. So it will take around 10 to 15 minutes, not more than that. We have to be careful while cooking the rice. If it is overcooked, then rice will not be that good. So we have to be a bit careful. So our rice is boiling now, and meanwhile chicken marination is done. So I am using the same oil which I have used to fry the onion. So here is my chicken. I am putting it in the oil. So the half of the fried onion now I am putting in the chicken. So no need to put any water as the marination is done here from chicken only water. And now I am putting 4 prunes. So this is also optional. This will give that khatta flavor into your biryani. And now after mixing it properly, here I kept my gas flame in sim and I'll put the lid and we'll leave it around 10 minutes. So now our rice is ready. We have to stain it. So now 10 minutes is over. Now my chicken is also ready and you can see the color also, and it's little bit gravy is there. Let it be. So now our chicken is ready. We will do the layering part. Now my layering is ready. I'll keep it for 30 minutes in dum. So top of this lid I'll put some heavy vessel. Some people use atta also. Anything is fine to put the dum. So now for first 10 minutes I'll put it in high flame. Then top of one pan or something I'll keep another 20 minutes. So our biryani is ready. Let's mix it properly. Then we will serve.